we are going to run the Tesla AutoPilot in the 5-mile test run to see how it handles the straights, the curves, and all that. This is the Model Y. We're going to get it up to 50. Okay. We are running AutoPilot, same road, 5 miles long, set it for 50. Now going down this hill, slowing down a little bit. I think we got regen going. You can see it right above the 50 little green bar. Now we're going uphill here. Slowing down just slightly because it's a hill. Coming down the hill now, getting back up to speed. Left turn here. Every 20-30 seconds you need to make sure you have your hand on the wheel. The car alerts you. Speed limit change here at 45. Let's see what it does. And it does. Speed limit change, but our set speed remained at 50. I'll go ahead and reduce it to 45. I have settings set where I can do 5 over, so that's why it allowed me to do that. Coming up to this first turn, car is slowing down because of the turn. My hand's here. Went around the corner, no problem. Speeding back up. Left turn coming up. Car made the turn, no trouble. Slowed down as necessary. Downhill slightly here. Got a chicane coming up. This is a downhill left turn here. Car made the turn, slowed down at the past the apex. Coming around this big turn here. Car slowed down a little bit. Going around the corner, no trouble. Okay, another downhill with a left turn. It's kind of sweeping at the bottom. It's kind of easy turn. No trouble. Got a 35 mile an hour relatively sharp turn here. Let's see what it's going to do. Car slowed down a little bit and whined a little bit. I needed my hand, but I'm not steering. Hold my hand on it, keep it happy. Goes around the turn, slowed down a little bit. It's now back up to speed almost. Don't run over that dead thing. Okay, we're going down a good sized hill here at the bottom. maintaining our speed with regeneration. Now we're at the bottom. We're going to head back up here now. Okay, now we're approaching the intersection with the road at the top, at the apex of the hill. There's a car up there. It's pulling out. It's going our direction. See how it does here. Slow down. Oh, I have the stopping enabled in full self-driving, so it was going to come to a complete stop. However, I did not steer. I just hit the accelerator to make it continue. We're going downhill here slightly. Getting close to the end of our run here. And this is the end of the run here at this road here, whatever it is. Well, there you have it. That's Tesla's AutoPilot. It performed without disengagement. It slowed down and when it needed to around specific corners with radius that were over its maximum, so it slowed down to compensate for that. I never had to disengage nor take over. It's continuing to drive here now while I talk, going down this road here. So there you have it. Tesla AutoPilot. I'm in a Model Y, and we did the entire 5 miles without disengagement. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging when you use this link. If you'd like this video, click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.